because there's a sale. Okay, good morning everyone. I just thought I'd let you know about a sale that's going on for the next few days. I think it's going on till, I don't know when it's going on till. I'll put it on the screen. There's a big T-Hobby sale. I have an affiliate link, so click my link in the description below and buy all the stuff you can so that they view me as a valuable member. You know, here I am shilling for them, you know, selling myself to get you good deals. No, there's actually a good deal, 20% off, I think, everything. And they actually have crazy good deals sometimes, like motors, where you can get a pile of motors for a really good deal. I highly recommend this 5-inch freestyle power combo. I have the parts here, an F7 stack and 4 motors for like around 150 bucks. And now 20, maybe it's a bit more than 150, but I think it's like around that. Now 20% off. It's a no-brainer. It comes with props. It comes with nice motors and an F7. Is there a big difference? I have the Manta SE, the Axis Flying Manta SE, which is the best value bind and fly I think that you can get. If you click on my website and you go down to like the bottom of it, you can click on the link and get the Manta SE, which I ported over. The Manta SE is not an F7. So I'm like, if you're just gonna buy a bind and fly, the best value you can get is the Manta SE. It just is. The stack is fat and it's not an F7. For a little bit less money than the Manta SE, you can get this power combo and build something yourself with an F7 stack. And the motors, they almost look like they're coming from the same manufacturer, even though it's different companies. So who knows? They're probably the same thing, who knows? But it says that this is the V3, so it's the 3rd time doing it. So hopefully now they're even better. But this thing is sweet. If you're new, the difference between an F7 and a like F4, the F4 is going to usually have a little bit less UARTs and a little bit less processing power. But as you get better at flying and everything, faster and everything, it makes it feel nicer. It gives you a little bit more of a locked-in feel. And this thing feels bloody amazing. This feels okay too. Like, it's not like, if you're newer, I don't think you'd really notice the difference between an F4 and an F7. But once you get used to it and you become more experienced and more like, you know, like, I want this, like, ooh, that feels nice, you know, and then you get used to that nice feeling. You don't really want okay, you want that nice fantastic feeling. So I've talked enough. Go to T-Hobby, see if there's anything you want. Use my affiliate link in the description below, along with the code to get your 20% off. I'll leave both those things in the description. Another thing, this stack is like tighter. Get it right, get it tight. Than this stack. I literally had to like solder half the pads off the ESC to fit this stack in, whereas the F7 from T-Hobby is a little bit tighter, a little bit nicer. Both of them have USB-C. USB-C, it makes it a lot nicer to plug in versus the old micro USB. And remember, if you're plugging your drone in and out, plug it in here, but then use the USB part to take it off and put it on. That way you're not constantly causing friction in the stack where you can possibly lose your thing. Anyways, make sure you're subscribed. We're gonna have like the video comparison from the Manta SE and this, and we're gonna have it all in a video too. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and get yourself some nice deals. And yeah, I'll let you know when the good deals happen. Smoochy smoochy. It's like $200 for a bind and fly, $150 for the parts to build a sweet bind and fly. just make sure you have motor protection. You gotta have a frame that has nice bumpers, because I wish these were Unibel. That's my only complaint. I wish they were Unibel motors. I think every company should just be making Unibel motors. Iced coffee. It's too hot for warm.
Oh, thank you.
It's too hot for warm coffee. You see a little sneak peek of these drones in action in this video. It's some of the best things to get that maybe you never even thought of. Check out this video. I'll take you personal shopping. Yeah. And I don't even like shopping. I personally, I don't want to buy anything. But some things, you know, when you get the right thing or when you get a good thing, then you end up shopping less because it lasts you. Whereas like my wife, she likes to buy everything cheap and then breaks and buy more and more and more. I like to buy something a little bit better and hopefully it lasts longer. But yeah, the power combo, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Great. I'd say this is good value.